Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to exchange Monopigo stickers. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you want to exchange stickers here, well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to meet a certain criteria. Now, first, before we do discuss that, let's go ahead and click on our album at the bottom right of our screen here, and let's go ahead and just choose one of the albums here. So, in my case, maybe I want to open up this album here. Now, the first thing that we need to understand here is you can only exchange stickers if you have a duplicate of it. Now, if you have a duplicate of that sticker, like for example, you have the Rapunzel's brush here that has a +1, it means I have a duplicate of that sticker. So if that's the case, you can actually exchange this or send this to a friend. So if you click or press on it, you should see the option here that says send to friend. And if you want to make an exchange, you just need to make sure to enable the make an exchange option at the very bottom. Now you go and just select the friend that you want to make an exchange with and click on continue. Now typically they just need to accept the exchange itself, and they would also are also required to send a sticker in exchange, so maybe something you don't own as of this moment, and you should be able to basically get some sticker on it, because again, these are just duplicates, especially if you have multiple duplicates of a specific sticker here. Now, if you don't want to exchange them with your friends, if you click or go back to your albums here, if you click on the vault that you see at the bottom right of your screen, if you do have enough duplicates, you can actually exchange them for what we call using what we call stars or reward sticker rewards. So basically you're exchanging your duplicate stickers for rewards. So again, you need to have at least 240 to get the minimum. You also have the 450 stars here. So currently I only have like 4 stars as of this moment, but yeah, once it is actually enabled for you, you can go and just click on the stars, the amount of stars that you want to exchange here, and you should be able to get those rewards depending on how much you actually exchange. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.